Hello every designer and welcome, here is Kamil, and today we're going to see how we can make this animation. Today we're going to see how we can make particles follow bus such as this tutorial. As you can see in the screen, it's very simple. In around 5 minutes I will show you how you can make that. So enough talking, let's start a new file. So I will start from a sphere and I will scale it maybe 0.4 and apply the scale, and directly I will go to the particle, and here we will add an emitter. Of course, if you play, let's add here a timeline, and I will set the end to be 300, and here in the lifetime it will 300, and also end here 300. So if you play the animation, you can see that the particles fall down, but we don't need that. So in the gravity, in the scene tab, we will disable that. After that, you can see it's not falling but moving into the air. That's fine. Now second step is to add the curve. Feel free to add any curve, so I can add here an Bezier and extrude here another time, and also extrude on time. Feel free to add any curve, and after that we can make the sphere follow this curve. I will go to the constraint and add a follow bus and check the Bezier curve. After that, you can see it go to the beginning, but we want to move the sphere on the bus. So I will select the curve and go to the curve options, and in the bus animation, I will set the frames. We have 300, and in the first keyframe, we will say that we have here 0, and in the last keyframe, we'll say that we have here 300, and press here and press I to add keyframe. So let's see. Select all and make it linear. So it's a good progress, but next, the third step is to make the particles stick to the bus, not moving it too much. So we will go to the sphere and select the sphere and go here into the velocity, make it 0.5, decrease the velocity, and after that go to the physics and in the damp, making the damp 0.15. That's fine. Let's play. You can decrease the damp to be 0.1 and maybe increasing the normal of the velocity. That's fine. After that, we want to make lifetime. I will make it 100 and make the 100 -1. And after that, you can say it's not even. So as you can see, this is fine. We want to replace the sphere, so I will go to the render and add an object. We want to add another object, so maybe add here a gemstone and gem. And for the gem, I will go to the color in the shader editor and add object info. Add here the random to the color, but we will make randomness color, so I will add 3 stops here. After that, you can pick the colors that you would like. Feel free to pick any color, and here another color, and here another color. All right. After that, that's fine. After that, we will say that we have here into the particles, we have here object, and here we have the gem. So if you play the animation, that you can see we have the particles, but we want to add a little bit of variation, and in the render we want to increase the scale and scale 0.4 maybe, not that too much, but maybe 0.2. Let's see. that in the render, and if you want to delete that in the viewport, you can do that. It's fine, but we can decrease the scale a little bit, and I think we are done. So if you want to increase the number of particles, you can go here and increase, and here also you can decrease the velocity or the damping. Feel free to choose that. So that's it for this lesson. It's very easy and quick. If you have any question, don't hesitate to ask me on the comments. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in another tutorial.